Hey lovely angels, welcome back to my channel Sakura Him Beauty.
So we know that Karwachauth festival is just a month away, and I know most of you are eagerly waiting to celebrate this festival. This is the first look from my Karwachauth series, and you can totally carry it with any Indian yellow, golden or maroon or red attire. It's totally optional to you. Hope you like and learn something new from this tutorial. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe now and press the bell icon as well. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook to check out all the upcoming videos and posts. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm taking here E.L.F Mineral Infused Primer and just applying it all over my face. This is a must step for you all. Next I'm taking MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation shade NC30 and L'Oreal Paris Highlighting Drop, and I'm just mixing both the products together to give that dewy look to my face, and I'm applying with the brush, foundation brush, all over my face. And don't forget the neck, guys. Now after foundation, I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC25, and I'm taking a concealer brush. Now I'm applying under my eye area and on my T-zone properly, and just blend it properly, with a sponge or with a brush, any way you like. Next I'm taking MAC Studio Fix Face Powder in the shade NC30 and buffing it all over my face. And don't forget the neck, guys, it's very important. After powder, I'm taking Benefit Brow Precise Pencil in the shade 05, and I'm just filling all the gaps in my eyebrows, making sure it looks even and nicely done. Once the eyebrows are done, what I'm doing is I'm taking Max Factor Pan Stick Foundation in the shade 12 True Beige and filling it under my eyebrows to give it like a nice pop effect to my eyebrows. Now next I'm taking Lancome Magic in Love palette. From that palette I'm taking white color and I'm just tapping it in under the eyebrows so that it can give a highlighter effect under my eyebrows. Next I'm taking Morphe 39A Day to Create eyeshadow palette, and from this palette for transitioning shade I'm taking the canvas shade and just buffing it all over my eyelid to give a good transition of the color. You just need to blend it very nicely. Okay, so next I am taking color Snatched from the palette, and it's a very bright red color, and it's a very nice color as well. And I'm just applying it at the outer V shape of my eyelid so that it can give me that hollow effect, and I'm just blending it nicely with the blending brush. You need to make sure everything looks even and smooth out. Next here I'm taking Profusion Mixed Metal Glam palette, and from that palette I'm taking the center color, which is a golden, bright golden. I'm just patting it with the flat brush on my eyelid so I get the proper intensity of the color. Now after patting it, I'm just smoothing it out with little bit of blending so that all the color is diffused properly. From the palette of same Morphe palette, I am taking color Snatched and the Vibrant and give it a little bit at the outer corner of my eyes, that definition. I'm just blending it properly. Now here I'm taking E.L.F 24 Karat Gold Glitter Eyeshadow and I'm just patting it all over wherever I have covered with the golden color. I'm just covering that section of my eyes. basically the inner corners of your eyes. So next what I'm doing is I'm taking the same color from the palette, the transition color canvas and the vibrant color, and just trying to make a stroke in the under eyes as well, and just diffusing little bit of golden color in the inner corner of my eyes to give my eyes that pop effect and look more awakened. Now next here I'm using Maybelline Lasting Drama Eye Kohl and applying evenly only on my upper waterline. So today I'm using Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. So next I'm using here Bell Hypoallergic Eye Pencil in the shade Nude, and I got this from Amazon, and I bought it because it was an hypoallergic one. My eyes are quite sensitive, that's why. So here I'm using MAC in Extreme Dimension 3D Mascara in color Jet Black, and I'm just applying it. So today I'm using Superdrug False Lashes, which is a Natural Edition 13, and I really love these lashes. I felt like I was not sure whether these lashes gonna be looking good or not, but they looked pretty good. Now next I used Revolution Translucent Baking Powder. I'm just trying to do little bit of baking, as for Karwachauth we know we have to carry our look for more than 3-4 hours, so I'm just trying to bake. So after baking, I'm taking Revolution Blush Palette in Sugar and Spice, and taking from the second row, I'm taking first and last color of blush and just patting and applying it evenly and nicely on my cheeks. Now I'm taking here a contour brush, and with the Revolution Ultra Brush Palette, I've taken the dark color like warmish brown color and just try to do little bit of contouring in my cheeks and in under my jawline, and then little bit on my nose. And now with the powder brush, I'm taking off all the baking I've done and just smoothing it out properly, no residual left of the powder. Next I'm taking the same blush palette of Revolution and taking the silver tone color from there and using it as a highlighter, applying it on my cheekbones and the T-zone area properly. I'm also applying it on my collarbone just to give me that glow. Now next I'm using here Miss Cop Crayon Lip Pencil shade Red. You can get it from Amazon easily. And I'm topping it with the MAC Lipstick Ruby Woo shade, and it's really one of the best shade I've ever used in my lipstick collection, guys. So after this, to set my makeup, I'm using today B Pro Makeup Setting Spray, and it's a really nice spray. It sets your makeup really last. So to complete this whole look, I'm using here the classic traditional red bindi and red sindoor, because without these two, the whole Karwachauth look is incomplete. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and you can create it in your Karwachauth festival as well. So till then, take care, bye bye, stay safe, stay happy, enjoy your festival, and see you on the next video. Bye.